Here's how we gave our 2-year-old son's bedroom a complete jungle animal themed makeover. Check out the really boring builder grid before. This was the first room that we made over in our house and everything is beige, beige, beige. We started by painting the walls. The 3 main walls in the room are bear's laurel tree, and the dark green on the back of the mural is trailing vine. I have all of the colors in the mural summed up in a blog post. You can see I went for a lot of rainbow color and fun jungle animals since that is what he requested. We also gave the closet a makeover with the same paint color as the wall and a totally custom wooden closet system. We added his dresser to the closet to clear up floor space, and because he doesn't really have any hanging clothes, he's 2. We built this really cool wooden tree-shaped bookshelf. Well, we designed it and planned for it to fit little kids' books, but it has really turned into a place for all his guys to hang out, and it's been the perfect little playhouse for his stuffed animals. We also built a wooden canvas reading tent, and we built a wooden base and sewed a canvas covering for that, and it is the perfect little place for him to hang out with his stuffed animals and read and play. I made some pom-pom letters to hang on the wall just to add a little bit more fun and color to the space. I love the way that they turned out, and thank goodness he has a short name now. Look how boring this room was before. It was so blah and had nothing to do with how fun our 2-year-old is. Now it is vibrant, colorful, fun. I know we'll change this room a lot over the years, but I just love it for him right now.